Hello guys, today I'm gonna make another video. This is my third or fourth time making a video today because it failed like a bunch of times. I tried to make one with my friends, but it couldn't hear any of us because I was on call with them. And I'm on mobile, as you can see, like my walking thing. But yeah, let me change my fit to my daughter's IT real quick. And then yeah, we'll get right into the video. And I literally just got sheriff, so the rounds are gonna insta start, which is really good, which is a really good start to the video. So, yeah, I'm innocent, of course. I of course got gun last time, so boing, 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 boing. Hopefully, a murderer's not close to me already. Saved that person's life last round, so hopefully they don't kill me if they're murderer. Wait, hold on. Hello. Hi. Oh, flip is her. Or him. Where's gun? Sheriff, what are you doing? Sheriff, please. So I haven't uploaded in a while too. I've been kind of lazy and I don't know. But yeah, as I said, this is my fourth time recording a video today because, like, you know, and 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 you know. Oopsie, I hit my head. Sheriff, where are you? Sheriff, where are you? Sheriff, where are you? Sheriff, where are you? There you are. Sheriff, help. Sheriff, help. Sheriff, help. Sheriff, help. Broke your ankles. This video won't be like a bunch of memes this time because that was just like trying to like a funny video. Broke the murderer's ankles. They come up these stairs, then I literally quit. I'm running away. Can I have gun, mister? Can I have gun, mister? Oh, murderer's right there. Can I have gun, mister? Please, real quick. I literally shoot him. I'll literally shoot her. Or him. Or whatever. In the literal 2 seconds of me being sheriff. Just, like, die to murder or something. No offense. What the heck? Where'd you come from? Bye. Ooh! Bro, the auto attack. It's the auto attack. Bye, Santos. Like, what are you doing, bro? It's literally, like, where'd Sheriff go? I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna take you with me. So, yeah. That's kind of bad that we just died. Because, yeah, it's just bad. I'm gonna get a soda. I'm so lazy. So lazy. I'm sitting in my recliner doing this video, by the way. So yeah, that's the laziest person on earth. Ready? ASMR time. Wait, no, never mind. Not ASMR time. Be quiet, guys. Wait, let me see if it's even like. Microphone's working. Yeah, microphone's working. Okay, it's good. Oopsie. Sorry, guys. I'm thirsty, okay? What you looking at? What you looking at? Yeah, what you looking at? What you looking at? What you looking at there? Oh, you too. What you looking at, bro? Not just the cheerleader for like. Also, I accidentally walked forward, by the way, when I was saying what you looking at because my finger like dragged across the screen. So that's why you never play on mobile when you're doing a video. But who cares? Yeah, so my friend, Zaytex, he does YouTube too. Go subscribe to his channel. It's Zaytext, not Zaytext. It's ZEYTEXT YouTube. So like YT, just YT. Not actually like YouTube. Broke your ankles. If you're actually a murderer, then that would like literally be like a perfect ankle break. Why is no one dead? Are you the murderer? Oh, flip. Ball. Cow. No, you're a murderer. No, you're not. What the heckers? Bro, what are y'all all doing here? Bro, you're gonna die if you go. Let's go together. No way there's 2 people here and you haven't hit a single one of us. Bro, he's actually so bad. He's actually so bad. Oh, flip. Oh, flip. Oh, ankle break. Ankle break. Ankle break. Sorry, that was really loud, bro. Everyone in my house could probably hear me just now. Where's Sheriff? Where's Sheriff? She don't have a camping gun. That's why she's probably over there. Can't get, can you? Oh, my goodness. Wait, he might actually be able to get all the way to gun. Is that gun right there? Is there a gun right there? Oh, I think there's a gun right there, actually, yeah. Because he wouldn't go into that room. Go. You go. You go, girl, you go. She's coming! She's coming! She's coming! Ow! Smooth. That was the smoothest ankle break I've had in a while. Gun's not in there! Gun's not in there! Come here. Come here. Come here. I'll break your ankles. No, come here. Now you go. You go, whatever your name is. You go, girl. Go. Oh, flip. Jump scared me. Oh, your aim is so bad. Okay, yeah, everyone was back here, and I guess all those knife kills were back here. Okay, so it's just me left now. Ugh. I'm gonna just like eat all your ankles right there. Yeah, just real quick, eat all your ankles. Kind of stuck in this position now. No, I'm actually so bad. Now it's my aim, not. What? Bro, she's so fast. Why is she fast? What are you pointing at, bro? What are you pointing at? Diggy. Sorry, YouTube. Sorry, YouTube. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it, YouTube. I really wish I could see the chat, bro. Did you guys know there's Roblox kids and stuff now? I'm still on normal Roblox somehow. I don't know how. Yeah, I'm actually really short. Yeah, you're taller than me in real life in Roblox. Yeah, I'm so lazy, bro. Oh, bro. No, bro. Blah, 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 blah. Bleep, blah, bloop, blah, bloop, blah, bloop. Yeah, I'm murderer, boy. I'm murderer. Get over here. Oh, flip. I think he's actually murderer. Oh, no. Imagine I was following him and he's actually ends up being murderer. Yeah, you're a murderer. I know you're a murderer. I know you're a murderer. I think he's actually murderer. I think he's murderer. Hello? Ooh, anyone there? Hello? Anyone there? Hello? Is anyone freaking there? Where's Sheriff? Ooh, flip! Ooh, flip! It's Xbox Man 2.0. Oh my goodness! This guy is biggie! Sorry. How is everybody so fast? Like, why am I so slow? Do I have to turn to my mini, bro? Do I have to turn to my mini cockroach? Don't make me do this. Should I do a mini video? Oh yeah, I'm gonna also try to start daily uploading and like every daily uploading or like every 2 or 3 days. I'll try my best to go a bunch. I've just been really lazy lately. Why are y'all voting for Bank? Why y'all voting for Bank, bro? Bank is like literally trash. Sorry, guys. Yummy. I can also invite my friend Zatex. Let's see if he's on. Sorry. What you looking at? No, what are you? Whoa. Everybody's like very crazy, right? Is that a knife? I just saw a knife being thrown. Hello, alien girl. I feel like you're a murderer, so do not come close to me. Coronavirus. Now watch this. Where'd she go? Okay, well, I was gonna do this. 6 feet away, you. No, you. You. Oh my. You. 6 feet away. I literally. Whoever drank me, I block right now. Except for my friends. I get my life. I'm also after this video gonna unfriend a bunch of people that I don't actually know in like IRL. So that'll be fun. What are you doing, bro? Back away! Coronavirus! Coronavirus. Wait. What? What? Oh, I'm innocent, guys. Oh, I just rolled that. I'm so actually good at so yummy. So yummy. Can we close this on you, sir? You're detected, you're a murderer. I'm so gory, bro. I just wall hopped up here. Actually, doing an alien impression. I have a feeling someone inside is a murderer. Bye. Never mind. What's up? Here. You guys want to see a good hiding spot? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, boom! Yeah, you just go through like right here. Can't go through right here. Go through right here. Oh, who's killing? Me scared. Sheriff, shoot them! Whoever murderers. It's the AFK man. I'm telling you, it's the AFK man. Cause like no one's killing. Let's talk about that. How about that? 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 Oh, how about this? And what about this? What about this? What about this time? 3rd time's the charm. Definitely. Nah. Ready? First try. Told you. Whoa. It's AFK man and sewers. Where's that girl? Where's that girl? Yeah, it's this man, bro. That man right there. I'm gonna go see if anyone's killing outside. What the heck is happening outside? I want 800 coins for sit, you know. Why are you following me? Why? Now you're a murderer! Why are you following me, bro? That's murderer right there. I'm telling you that's murderer. Earlier on, I'm telling you that's murderer. My finger hurts. I've been wall hopping so much, bro. Is that bad? Like, is that bad, guys? Have y'all watched Bad Guys 2? Because Bad Guys 2, honestly, goated. Bro, this girl is murderer. She's not killing anybody, though.
Bruh.
Are you serious? Are you serious, bro? Like, are we being so for real? Why'd you shoot me, bro? I'm not murderer. Why'd you shoot me? I just want to get a win it. Bleh. Like, you're so mean. Why you shoot me? Ding. Yeah, I'm killing that guy first, bro. I'm killing that guy first. I don't even care, bro. Where is he? Where's tall dude at? Yeah, we don't talk about that. Guys, who's the murderer? Who killed just now? Guy, who killed? Oh my goodness, who killed? Oh my goodness, so scary. Who killed? Oh my goodness, guys, who killed? Guys, who's killing? Oh my goodness, I wonder who's killing. Goodness, who's killing, guys? Definitely not me. Who's killing? Oh no. I'm so scared. Super awesomely scared right now, bro. There's no tall guys in here. I'm gonna crash out. Oh, there's actually no one in there. Is there someone in here? Okay, I might as well start rapid killing, bro. Unless there's someone in here, then. There's no one in there. Just kill it. That was sheriff. That was actually sheriff, bro. Yeah, I won. Much people left today. Oh my goodness, cute guys. Oh no. Dude, I'm gonna try to get like sheriff or something, and I'm gonna end the video. Here, let's actually switch lobbies real quick. I'm turning on a bunch of people right now. Oh, yep. Let me see the round. Oh, there is no round. I'm so smart. I'm smart, bro. I'm so actually smart. Actually, once I get sheriff, guys, or once this round ends, I'm gonna end video here. Oh, I really, after this round, I'll say the outro. Cause why not? Just why not? Oh, yeah, you like my new name? Too sweet.
Bye.
Boys, that was my family. If you guys were wondering. Oh yeah, if you guys want to like get out of here quick, you just gotta like parkour master. Alright, well, guys, I'm sorry to end the video here, but